Hello, everyone. That's my son. Welcome to the live stream. This is Pinay New Yorker live streaming from New York City. Thank you for being here with me tonight. Please do not forget to give the thumbs up for the live stream. Yesterday, I wasn't able to go live because we attended a festival where one of his films was competing. I'm hoping he wins again. He's been winning a lot of accolades in big New York festivals, and he's not even a graduate yet. So, very proud mom here. So he was the reason I was not able to do anything last night. I was in the city. It was raining. It was like horrible, horrible weather. So anyway, I hope everybody is doing fine. Maraming salamat po sa mga nandito ngayon, mga kababayan. Please do not forget that I am a Filipina and a New Yorker. So I toggle between the two languages here. I do English, I do Tagalog. But you can be rest assured that I will translate almost immediately right after I speak in one language. Again, a reminder of the rules that we observe here. Let's observe courtesy and kindness, no flooding, and please give respect to the host, that's me, and everybody else who's in the live stream. I do not time out, I will boot. So this is a very vanilla chat. We talk about life, we talk about YouTubing, we talk about anything under the sun, but sometimes people look for excitement, and there are a lot of other live streams where you can get that kind of excitement, just not here. Also, we welcome all ages, so that's one reason why we're sort of general patronage, pang pang pamilya talaga. So para sa mga kababayan po na nandyan, maraming salamat po at sana magparamdam kayo. So we can't always have happy days. That's why I thought I'd put that tag out on the thumbnail. The struggle is real. Totoo naman, the struggle is real. But we cannot give up. We always have to look towards tomorrow, be optimistic, be positive, and just keep working at whatever it is that we're trying to do. So my birthday month is October. 3 years ago, I got monetized on YouTube. And it's been a journey. So marami akong natutunan, marami akong gusto pang gawin. There's a lot that I still want to do but haven't been able to do. And it's a continuing, evolving channel. So, marami pa akong gustong gawin doon sa channel na unti-unti ko pa lang nagagawa. For example, this live stream. I didn't really live stream until 4 months ago. Right? I wouldn't be surprised some of these channels na maliliit ngayon, though, some of these smaller channels one day will surpass us. I have surpassed some of those people who helped me, but I still go back to them. Kanta lang kung ano yung racket nyo, gawin nyo. Whatever has been working for you, keep doing it. I keep telling people that find something that works for you. So this one works for me. So marami nga lang pasaway minsan, but this one works for me. I can sing, but I will not sing on camera. And then MD168 does that. So that's her thing. So, you just have to find what's comfortable. Yung iba nagluluto, like si MD, nagluluto din, di ba? I noticed a lot of people watch when you cook. So, those are things. You just really have to adjust to your audience and do what you can do well. Di ba sometimes there are videos na ads, nakalagay sponsored. So yung sa'yo at saka kay MD168, it is showing as YouTube featured. Meaning, fini-feature kayo ni Lolo, tinatapon kayo doon because I guess they want to encourage member-only or memberships, member-only live streams, member-only activities. Lolo is featuring is yung members-only. So it's not just throwing you as a recommended video. It's saying you are being featured. Social yun libre, walang bayad. No, congratulations. No, that's my thinking. They're trying to push membership. They're trying to push members' activities. But that's an acknowledgement, right? That your efforts are paying off. So keep doing that. And I told MD, in fact, I told MBTV, sabi ko, gumawa din siya kasi sabi ko, kayong dalawa na feature. So, I guess it sort of like pushes you up. Nakaangat yung advertising ni Lolo sa inyo. Hugot na rin. Ikaw, Papa Bons, gumawa ka rin nun. But you have to do an activity. Kasi si MD168 did a member shout out. So, ang ginawa ni MD, meron siyang almost 3-minute video where she calls out her members. She always does this like periodically, right? Si Anging Fe naman had a live stream, members only. So, those two videos are appearing on my feed as Pinay New Yorker, and both are showing as YouTube featured. So, hindi lang siya nire-recommend, like, I'll see the others from the other people I sub to, di ba? It says at the bottom, YouTube featured, members only. Kita mo? No, but can you see what I'm showing now? This is the one that's YouTube featured. Thank you to all my members, and this was 5 months ago. It's popping up on my feed now. So, pinupush ka ni Lolo right now. Can you see? It says here, YouTube featured. Anging Fe, you have a similar one. But I just noticed yours today. CMD, I saw hers like 2 days ago. So, this was how long ago? Streamed 6 days or 8 days ago. See what it says? So, it says right there, YouTube featured, members only. This is on my feed. So, keep doing whatever you're doing. So, that means you're being highlighted. You're being featured. Social kayo. Inggit ako. I don't do memberships because I don't have the energy and the bandwidth to support. So, inisip ko na yan. Sabi ko, ano naman ibibigay ko? You know, like do special content. I don't have enough time na nga to do the real content, diba? So, you know, like kanya-kanyang niche yan. Like you guys do premieres, si MD168 kumakanta yan, at saka nagkukuking-cooking. Hindi ko naman magagawa yung ganon because that's not my thing. Diba? Kanya-kanyang racket yan. So, but I wanted you to see. So, I'm happy that you guys saw. Diba? So, that's a good thing. So, maybe you want to do a shout out to your members. If you don't have time, diba? You have to really focus. But, congratulations. And to those other channels with members there, I think you should do that now. Kasi Lolo seems to be pushing. In fact, on my studio, it keeps telling me memberships are a match. You should do this, you should do that. I really can't. Hindi ko kaya. So, kulang na. There's not enough of Pinay New Yorker to do memberships. I will never be able to move forward from that. So, congratulations to our two friends, Ging Vlogs, Anging Fe Vlog, and also MD168. So again, just wanted to let you guys know that YouTube seems to be favoring that right now and is trying to push for membership. So if you do have the memberships, don't forget to look and see. Kung lalo na kung may iba kayong account, makikita mo yung kung fini-feature ka. Okay? So, folks, it's the end of the road for me. It's 10:32 and I really have to get ready for tomorrow as well. Thank you for staying with me for the last 2 hours. Again, I enjoyed being here with you. I hope to be with you again tomorrow. Please don't forget to give the live stream again a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and hoping that you will come back and join me again tomorrow. Maraming salamat and good night.